January 16th to 17th, Runpaq held its 2026 work conference themed Focus on Efficiency. Decode the path to success with middle and senior managers. 2025 highlights: historic new contract breakthrough, enhanced brand influence, Little Giant review pass, and pressure vessel manufacturing qualification. Chief Engineer Liu stressed tech innovation plus quality management. Promoting new energy storage technologies. GM Zhang set 2026 core. Focus on key areas: quality efficiency, zero carbon parks, and learning organizations. Chairperson Yi emphasized cash flow first. 3 strategies: AI empowerment, zero carbon tracking, core business refinement. 2026, Runpaq embraces challenges for new progress.